friends, look, this is number 1. 1. It stands so tall and strong, doesn't it? Let's trace a line from top to bottom with our finger. There it is, number 1. Next is number 2. 2. It has a graceful neck like a swan. First, we draw a curve, then hop. A straight line at the bottom. That's number 2. Look, this is number 3. 3. It looks like it has 2 little tummies. We draw a half circle and another half circle below it. A glowing number 3. Here comes number 4. It looks just like an upside-down chair. 4. Down, then across, then a big line through the middle. Number 4 is ready. Smile. Here comes number 5. 5. How cheerful it is. First a hat, then a neck, and then a big tummy. That's number 5. And here is number 6. Round and so sweet. We glide from top to bottom and make a nice circle at the bottom. 6. Look, here is one red toy car. Just one. Quack, quack. Here are 2 cute yellow ducks. Let's count. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Shall we count your favorite toys? Card, dinosaur, star, and ball. Exactly 4. Look, here are 5 wonderful toys. Can you find them all? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yummy cupcake time. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Great job! You learned number 1 so well. High five! Super! You've successfully completed number 2 as well. Wow! You are now a star of number 3. You're amazing! Counting number 4 was so much fun! A 5-star performance! You learned number 5 perfectly! And here is number 6. Wow! You did it! I'll see you next time for more fun adventures! Bye-bye!